Alright, in this lesson I want to talk about something called subsurface scattering. And I think I've mentioned this in another course as well, but it bears repeating here because especially when you're doing faces, it's something that comes into effect quite a bit. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to, over on the side, I want to draw this guy from the top very quickly. So like here's his nose and his ears, and these are terrible ears. And you got his hair and all this stuff. All right, so like we're looking straight down at him. Now, in our example here, the light is passing this way, right? All right, so if we take this little area right here, this little box, let me draw that a different color. Take this little section right here, and we blow this up, okay? So we're gonna blow this section up, and now, so like, this is his cheek, okay? Say right through here, okay? So if you get really close, all right, so close that this is actually the thickness of his skin, okay? So this little area here is the thickness of his skin, and we've got air out here, and then we've got all the rest of his insides over here. All right, so think about these two little lines here as the thickness of his skin. So what happens is on all of these little angles, all right, so right there on the corner, okay, the light's passing through that skin. Well, the light's the skin's full of blood, right? So what happens is, as the light passes through those angles, it becomes a little bit redder. And it's a pretty simple concept if you think about it. The light's passing straight through skin, and the skin's got blood in it. Well, what's going to happen when the light comes out? You know, it's going to be redder, okay? So the light's going to come in, and it's going to bounce around inside the skin here and come out redder than it went in. So this is something that you'll see a lot, especially if you ever see like someone shine a flashlight through their ear. It'll look really red through here because the light is picking up all of that blood that's inside. So you could do this on the same layer, you could do it on a different layer. It doesn't really matter how you want to do this. I'm going to make a new layer just for simplicity's sake. So I'm just going to get a soft brush in this example. I'm going to choose kind of a medium red. I don't want it to be too bright. I don't want it to be too dark. And this will kind of change depending on the skin tone. But right along the edges of the transitions between light and shadow, I'm going to start adding a little bit of this red. All right, so you see it like on his forehead coming in here. Maybe not quite that much. And just in the transitions, a little bit of red in here. Around the nose especially, you'll see this a lot on noses. We'll put a little bit more on the nose. In the ear, that's going to be catching a lot of that. So I'm just really doing it along these little transitions. And again, it's a very subtle effect, but it makes a big difference. It makes the skin look a lot more alive. It makes it sort of look like, hey, this guy's actually got some blood in his body. So it's very subtle. And of course, if you do it on a different layer and the red's not quite right, you can always adjust it to make it a little bit more yellow, a little bit more orange, wherever it is that you want to put it, saturate it a little bit more. You see this effect, really pumped up a lot around noses in some art styles. So that's what you're seeing there. So it's a very simple little technique that you can do. And of course, you can blend this more. You can add as much of an effect as you want. You could lower the opacity after you've painted it. Let's say it's too strong. You don't want it to be quite that opaque. You can always adjust the opacity. So there's all sorts of options there you can do. But that's kind of the reason why I like to do it on a different layer sometimes, is because I'm able to adjust it after the fact. So anyway, it's a little quick, short lesson, but it makes a big difference. Let's move on.